Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to transfer your crypto from Robinhood to Fidelity in 2025. Whether you're looking to consolidate your investments or just explore better platforms, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Robinhood and Fidelity. In 2025, crypto regulations might have evolved, so double-check that your crypto is eligible for transfer. Most major ones like Bitcoin or Ethereum should be fine. Start by logging into your Robinhood app or website. Head to your crypto wallet section, select the asset you want to transfer, and look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. This is where you'll generate a withdrawal address. Now, for Fidelity, log into your account and navigate to the crypto section. If Fidelity supports direct transfers, you'll need to generate a deposit address there. Copy that address carefully. Crypto transfers are irreversible, so accuracy is key. Back in Robinhood, paste the Fidelity address into the withdrawal field. Don't forget to enter the amount you want to transfer and review any fees. In 2025, expect potential network fees based on blockchain congestion, so plan accordingly to minimize costs. Once you've confirmed the withdrawal on Robinhood, it might take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour for the crypto to appear in your Fidelity account, depending on the network. Keep an eye on transaction status using blockchain explorers like Etherscan for Ethereum-based assets. If you run into issues, like unsupported tokens, you might need to transfer to an external wallet first before moving to Fidelity. A quick tip: always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for added security. And remember, crypto prices can fluctuate wildly, so time your transfer wisely. There you have it. That's how you seamlessly move your crypto in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's keep building that financial knowledge together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.